Hey guys, welcome back to my ASMR channel. Welcome to another video. So I'm in the flat at the minute. I'm about to go and do some laundry because I need to do some laundry, and I'm going to take you guys with me to try and make a little ASMR video. Because I know a laundry room can be a bit loud and stuff, like with machines and shit going. It doesn't sound like the most relaxing place, but I find it quite relaxing, you know, when I'm sitting there waiting for my stuff. I feel like a laundry room's a bit like an aeroplane, you know. It's relaxing for some people, probably not relaxing for others, because I feel like if you're on an aeroplane, like, you have to be there. Like, there's nowhere for you to go. You have to be there to do what you're doing, which is traveling. So like, there's something quite relaxing about that, you know, like being held in, like, kind of like captivity that you signed yourself up for, you know. When you're doing laundry, you have to be there so that nobody pinches your stuff out the washing machine, you know. So there's something quite relaxing about this, like just being able to waste time and stuff. I don't know if that makes sense, but come with me to do some laundry. Okay, so I've got my little laundry basket here. I've got my little Persil things. These are actually soft as the softest things I've ever felt. I just want to eat it, but I'm not going to, because that would be silly. Also, sorry if my hair looks just kind of drab. I just went in the barber's earlier on, and this is just how he left it. And I haven't been in the shower or anything yet, because that happened like 2 hours ago, and before that it was a long day, so I just kind of wanted to chill, so that's what I did. But now it's time to be productive. Laundry, 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 laundry. Give me an L, give me an A, give me a U-N-D-R-Y. What does that spell? Laundry. I'm just on my way down the laundry room now. It's next door to a bar, which is a different kind of relaxing to ASMR. These are the steps that go down to the laundry room. Okay, so let me just give you a little tour of the laundry room. So we've got a washing machine, a dryer, and then we've got a washing machine and a dryer, and we've got a washing machine and a dryer, and then we've got a washing machine and a dryer, and they're all basically just the same. And then we've got a fire extinguisher on the floor down here, and then we've got some sinks, hand washer thingamabobbies, this thingamabobby, and then we've got a little room there where people do the work or whatever, and then we've got around here washers, dryers, washers. So yeah. colours that you want, and then you have to go on the app. Should start going in a minute, and then I need to do it for this one as well. So I need to shit. In here. So it's making it hard to know if you guys can hear me or not. So maybe I'll just do some ASMR dance moves. Okay guys, I'm going back to the flat. I forgot how fucking noisy it is in there. I don't remember it being that noisy. Shalom, I'm back at the flat. This might be the end of a very shitty, mediocre attempt at an ASMR video for you, but this is definitely not the end of my laundry journey, because I had to put my stuff in the dryer now after the washer. So in 15 minutes I've got to go back and pick it up. But since this might have been such a short video, because I don't remember it being that loud. Usually when I go there, I'm with someone and I just put my laundry in and then come back to the flat to wait for it, and then go back down to put it in the dryer, and then come back to the flat to wait for it, and then go back down and pick it up. But this time I thought it would be cool because to do some filming, because I always go in there and think, do you know what, if I had to wait here, if push came to shove and I had to wait here for my laundry, I actually wouldn't mind it, because it seems like quite a chilled ambient like type of thing, you know. Let me just tell you in ASMR style a little bit about why it's Friday night and I'm in like the flat and doing laundry and not going out. That is because I have been out already 3 times this week. I went out on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. Today is Friday. I'm basically just giving my liver a little rest, because for the past few weeks since I came back to uni after Christmas, I have been living in nightclubs and McDonald's and Taco Bells, and it is draining my funds. So